Arro card and Petal card use different approval processes, so there is no guaranteed winner for who approves faster, because each application is reviewed using its own criteria. By the end, you'll know how Arro card and Petal card approval works, what factors can affect your decision time, and what to check before applying. The biggest difference is that approval speed depends on your application information, verification process, and the company's review system. Arro card focuses on helping applicants access credit based on their financial information and application details. Petal card also reviews applicant information to determine eligibility. Neither card guarantees approval or instant approval for every applicant. Before applying for either card, make sure your personal information is accurate. Your name, address, income details, and other application information should match your records. Incorrect information can create delays during the review process. Your credit profile can also affect how quickly an application moves forward. Credit history, reported information, and other details connected to your financial profile may be reviewed as part of the decision. If your credit information has errors, check your credit reports before applying. Incorrect account details or outdated information can affect what companies see during the review. Another factor is identity verification. If a company needs additional information to confirm your identity, the approval process may take longer. To improve your chances of a smoother application process, review your information before submitting, avoid entering incorrect details, and understand the requirements for the card you choose. If your goal is the fastest possible approval, focus less on comparing only the card names and more on whether your application is complete and accurate. A complete application with correct information can help prevent unnecessary delays. Arro card and Petal card can both be options for people looking for credit products, but the approval experience depends on your individual situation. The key points are simple. Approval speed is not guaranteed, accurate application details matter, and your credit information can influence the review process. Your next step is to check your credit profile and compare the eligibility requirements for Arro card and Petal card before applying. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, approvals, and financial products.